Corso, Piazza. Restaurant.
Mexican restaurant. The restaurant is the breakfast, the lunch, and the dinner. This is the coffee restaurant. It's open in the afternoon. This is the jewelry. These are gold and silver.
Okay, gold and silver.
This is the restaurant, coffee restaurant.
Wow, look at these people. They're from the ship. Yeah, they're from Norwegian. Yeah. Look at the view, oh,
Right, we have the monument.
Monumento.
This is to the Beatles.
The Beatles.
It's the Beatles monument.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, the Beatles monument.
This is the street, Liverpool. And right, we have
The Beatles, huh?
Yellow Submarine.
The Beatles monument. Oh, they made the main monument for the Beatles. Grabe, no? Yan, no? The Beatles monument. Wow, police. Yeah.
Lisbon, Portugal.
Lisbon, Portugal.
Portugal may ganito. Lisbon, Portugal.
Maabot dito yung tiga Norwegian, no? Nandito sa...
Yeah.
Yeah, no? Yeah, the Beatles, oh. It's been a hard day's night. Yeah. Plaza Lenya, pizza. Oh, yeah, the tower. The tower na yan, ah. Ba, maganda pala ang Masatlan niya, eh.
There is a lot of restaurant.
Yeah.
It's different.
Coco Roco.
Yeah.
Kitsilano.
On the left, we have to the Merman.
Yeah, no?
Merman monument. And the down, we have to the beach pool. Right, here is a lot of restaurants though.
Very beautiful, Masalan.
Absolutely beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Nice.
Now I know. Yung sinasabing danger pala, malayo dito. Ito, protected, oh. Daming police.
Binabantayan nga doon.
Ah, di ba? I told you, yeah. Monument. Wow.
This is the Mazatleca Woman Monument.
Oh yeah, the woman. Masatlan Monument.
Right, we have to the Temple Cave.
It's beautiful.
This is to the Temple Cave.
There's Cueva.
del Diablo.
Oh, so there's Diablo inside, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, Satanas. Wow, Satanas is living there. We don't want to bother him.
Yes, we have to the Temple Cave.
Oh, this is the diving. Oh, dito nga sabi ko, you know, magda-dive me dito yung Masalan yung sabi $1. Oh.
This is the cliff diver.
Wow.
This is the diving. This guy is diving every 10 or 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
It's the diving.
That's expensive, man. Oh, dito ulit maming nagda-dive. Hindi sa Kapusalo.
Right, here is the condo.
Condominium, oh. Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah. It's
View.
beautiful.
Centro Historico 405.